Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the objective, what you need from this transcript, and validating audio quality now. Once done, pick the transcription route, automated for speed, human-assisted for accuracy, or hybrid for both. Make sure to configure speaker labels and timestamps at the source. This saves correction time later. While the transcript runs, prepare your glossary of names, acronyms, and industry terms so the engine or reviewer uses consistent spelling. Then start the transcription and move immediately to the review queue. You now focus on deep editing. Listen and correct speaker attribution and timestamps. Do this first for all high-priority sections. While editing, highlight or tag action items, assign owners, and attach timestamps so tasks are traceable. Make sure to redact sensitive data, PI, payment numbers, health details, before wider distribution. Use search and replace for recurring term corrections, and then run a final pass with a human reviewer or quality tool to confirm accuracy and consistency across the document. You finish by exporting the transcript in the formats your team needs: docx for editing, SRT for captions, and JSON for integrations. Then create a concise summary with 3-5 bullet action items. Once done, distribute with access controls and link timestamps to calendar tasks. Follow up within 24-48 hours. If you encounter persistent errors, reprocess the audio with noise reduction or escalate problematic segments to a human transcriber. A single re-review usually resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.